Hello everyone, today I will introduce how to assemble Delta 22 watt machine. So let's have a check. Firstly, when we open the box, we will have two boxes on the top layer, which is materials box and manual book box. Okay, next let's check the second layer. We will have laser goggle, pipe cable for air pump, USB cable, power cable, and the lens box. In the lens box, we have the replacement lens, replacement O-ring, replacement nut, lens tool, and the lens finger guard. 4 pieces of support feet, laser shield for the laser module. The next is a tool box. In this box, we have 4 pieces of M410 screw, 1 piece of M422 screw, 1 piece of air assist nozzle, 1 piece of machine key set, Wi-Fi area, 1 piece of spare fixture, 3 pieces of different Allen key, and 1 piece of wrench, power adapter, air pump, and the last is a laser engraving machine and 22 watt laser module. Thanks for your watching. Bye bye.